Number 16. Express the number in scientific notation. 0.0003054. Okay, scientific notation is this form over here. A times t to the n. And remember, A has to be a number between 1 and 10. It could be 1, but it cannot be 10. So we're going to move this decimal over until we get a number that's between 1 and 10. Okay, so we'll move the decimal. Okay, if we put it here, we have 3.054, and that's a number between 1 and 10. So let's count how many times we moved it. Okay, we moved 4 places, so our answer is 3.054 times 10, and we moved 4 places to the right, so that's -4. Question 17. Express the number in scientific notation. 373 times 10 to the -8. Okay, at first glance, this looks like it's already in scientific notation. But it's not, because this number, 373, has to be between 1 and 10. So to make 373 between 1 and 10, we're going to start at the decimal and move it over 2 places to the left. So now it's 3.73 times 10. We moved it 2 to the left, so we're going to take this exponent and add 2. So now it's 3.73 times 10 to the -6 power. Question 18. Find the degree of the polynomial 10 a to the third b squared plus 13 a to the fourth b to the fourth minus 6 a to the fourth b to the sixth. Okay, the degree. First we're going to look at each term, and we're going to add the exponents that are in each term. So this is 5. The second term, we'll add the 4 plus 4. That gives us 8. And then the last term gives us 4 plus 6. That's 10. The highest number that you get is the degree of the polynomial. So in this case, our highest number was 10. And that's the degree of our polynomial. Question 19. Arrange the terms of the polynomial 2x y squared plus x squared y to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus y cubed so that the powers of x are in descending order. Now remember, descending means you start with the largest number and work down to the smallest. And we're working with the powers of x. So in this term, the power of x is 1. In this term, the power of x is 2. And in this third term, the power of x is 3. And the fourth term, it doesn't have an x, so there's no power of x. So we want to start with the largest one. Be sure for each term that you keep the sign that's in front of it. So -2x to the third plus x squared y to the fourth plus 2x y squared plus y to the third. Question 20. Find the sum or difference. The quantity 4a minus 3b squared minus a plus the quantity b minus 3 plus 9a squared. Okay, this sign here in the middle is plus, so that means we can just drop the parentheses. Okay, now we're going to collect like terms. I'm going to start with the a's, and I'll start with the highest power of a. Here we have 9a squared. There are no other a squares, so we don't have anything to combine that with. Alright, next for a. Here we have a 4a and a minus a. So 4 minus 1a is positive 3 9a. Now for the b squares. All we have is minus 3b squared. Next for b's, all we have is plus b. And now for constants, which are just numbers that don't have variable, all we have is 3. So that is your answer. Okay, if you look at the answer key, if you look at the answers that are available in the choices, this doesn't match up exactly. They have the b squared coming next. So let me just write it that way. So 9a squared, then they have the b squared as the next term. So minus 3b squared plus 3a plus b minus 3. And that is answer D.